Good day, everyone. I'm Olamay, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am opening a Montana West handbag. I saw this particular item on fellow YouTuber. Her channel name is Coco Nashay, and I will pin the name or channel in the description or comment section. And she had the prettiest color in it. Like a neon green or yellow color. And I wanted to try it out. The quality looks like it's really good. I do have Montana West shoulder straps and some accessory pieces. And I've seen the bags itself in store. But I had not seen anything in this particular print, which is an ostrich print. And I have been wanting a purple tote, especially after seeing Simply D's beautiful purple Coach tote, signature tote. And when I saw this in all the colors, I want other colors, but I figured I would try out the purple first. So it is purple, as you can see. And let's unwrap it and see what it looks like. Let's see. Let me get my scissors. Where are they? Oh, here they are. If you all are not subscribed and you're watching this video, if you get to the end and you like it, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and my new subscribers as well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I got it wrapped up pretty good here, y'all. I'm gonna have to use my scissors again. And this was one of the features I liked as well, were like the black rope handles or braided handles. I thought that was a pretty feature of it. But I definitely wanted to see in person how big the tote actually is. So it is a good size. The purple is definitely true to color. Give you a close-up of the ostrich embossment and the Montana West logo there. And I may have to put a pillow in it so that you can see how big it really is. It doesn't have feet, which isn't bad. This tote, I believe it is about $25 on Amazon. I know it's under $30, but I'm thinking, if I recall correctly, it was $25. And it does come with a matching pouch or wristlet. And that's a good size pouch. I thought that was cute. Inside. And I believe it can hang from the outside of the purse, or you can put it inside. But it looks like they do have it hanging with the little gold beaded chain there. So retail for this is $45. And like I said, on Amazon, it was about $25. So after finishing and inspecting it, I'm more than likely going to get other colors. And it does zip. That was also another feature that I liked. It does have Montana West there on the zipper. Look at this pretty lining, y'all. That's cute. So it is deep too. As you can see, it does have the Montana West leather logo patch there. And let's check out the zipper. Pocket probably goes about halfway down the bag or midways. And that is on the front. The back side does have 2 slip pockets, one smaller than the other. And with these handles, the shoulder drop on them, it's a very good shoulder drop. So starting at the purse itself, to give you a close-up of how the attachments of the handles are covered with additional ostrich material there. And then a close-up of the straps. But let me see if I can try to get it to stand up. I probably will have to put like a pillow or something in it to get a better idea of it. Well, it's standing so far for now with me holding the handles up. But I'll give you a 360 of it before I actually stuff it so that you can see. And I like that it has the unfinished look there. It doesn't have any glaze or anything on it. But this is a really, really rich and pretty purple. Is that fully in the shot? That's a no. There we go. So at least you are able to get a view of it standing up. But you can see that it is a very good sized bag. Quick measurements of it. And if the measurements are on Amazon, I will include those in the description as well. But the base of it, it's about, looks like that's about 18 inches across, I would say. And then height, a little bit like 12 and a half. So about 18 by 12 and a half. And then the width of it, it can expand really wide. But just a measurement of the bottom to give you an idea of the width of the base. Roughly 4.5. So this is a good size tote. Especially for the price and the color and the material. That should definitely hold up for a long time. And it should be pretty durable. I really love the straps. And like I said, with it coming with this matching pouch, that's actually just icing on the cake. I like that. So comment below, you all. Let me know if you all have any Montana West pieces. Like I said, I did do a video on the Montana West shoulder strap that you can add or detach. It's a detachable or removable strap that you can add to your bags. And those are really what I used for turning my hobos into crossbody bags, or just to even change out straps on other crossbodies. But this is my first Montana West actual bag itself. And I am looking forward to getting the other colors that they have. I did notice it looked like certain colors did not have the Montana West logo on it. It could have just been the Amazon picture itself. Not sure, but I am going to see what other colors that I want. I definitely want the fluorescent color, the yellow and the green more than likely. And see what other colors. It does come in red. I'm not sure if they had a black. There is a blue. And a pink as well. It may be 2 different shades of pink, but definitely a good bag. Like I said, the shoulder drop should make it an easy carry. The handle should make it easy to stay up on your shoulder as well. And you can put a lot in here, whether you are using it as a work bag, shopping, travel. You have many options for it. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing if anyone else has the Montana West tote as well, or if this is something that you would look into trying. So, let me know if you all like it, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day.